your character.
Previously on The Movement.
I am on my way home, and I got surprises waiting on me when I get to the crib. I can't wait. As you can see, it says JBL on that side, and the speaker side it says JBL there too. Yes, sir. Made by Samsung. I got the big boy with the 46mm, and of course it's Bluetooth. All watches are. So here we go. Let's see. Man, is that pretty or not? What? So what's going on, Fluent Crew? Yes, it is the next day, and I am back with another one. So yesterday we were showing off a little bit of the new gear that was coming in. You know, a little bit of the technology and all that good stuff going on. In fact, still test driving the watch, looking real clean and all that kind of stuff. But a full review is coming up soon, so I ain't gonna spoil anything at the moment. You know, and that looks really nice with the new finger bling as well. You know how that goes. Loving that. But that is for another story. This time, it's ready for some fashion drip. And I had shown this off a little bit before, and this time I'm actually wearing it. So now y'all can actually see it in action. Yes, sir. Vegeta's my dog. Love anime. Don't care who knows it. And it's one of the greatest things ever. You should check it out. If you don't know what it is, it's Japanese cartoons, but they're not just regular everyday cartoons. They're pretty adult. They're not for children, but definitely feel free to take a look into them. They're pretty entertaining, and they cover a wide range of different categories, just like movies and other American TV shows and all that kind of stuff. So, but this is not the time for that. This is something else you guys came for. So, I actually went in and purchased a couple things from the great Fashion Nova, and I figured I would go ahead and try out a couple of different things and see what you think. So there's gonna be some clips here to, me trying it out and see what you guys think. You, of course, rate what you think about the fit, how I put it together, all that good stuff. So let me know, and we'll go from there. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and always hit the post notification bell. We're gonna keep these videos rolling on a consistent basis. I try to be as consistent as possible. Hopefully these things are really entertaining for y'all, because of course, I like to entertain. As y'all can see, I like to have fun. I do. I love to have fun. So hey, but without further ado, we are going to go ahead and get into this. As you can see, the Fashion Nova bag. We're going to go ahead and use this kind of like an unboxing, bagging type of situation. But, I just randomly got a message from them one day. Like, I signed up for it. Well, I've been hearing a lot about them lately. So I went to their website and signed up, and then end up finding out, once I signed up, they started sending me advertisements, of course. So I caught the wave and I was like, yeah, you know what? This is actually not a bad deal. So I got a super good deal on this joint. But this first one's kind of my winter gear, so I'm not really gonna be dead wearing this joint anytime soon. Unless, of course, the world ends or something, about to end or something, man. It just randomly gets like super, super freaking stupid cold. But this first joint is a hoodie. I'll show you what it looks like here. It's looking pretty clean. And you see I got a red one because, of course, yet again, my favorite color is red. So that shouldn't surprise anybody. And then here's the back. Like, if I lived in New York, then I'd be rocking this. I actually probably already have it. No, I wouldn't have it on already because I just took out the packaging. But that's beside the point. This is going to get a nice little Instagram photo because it feels like it's pretty big, and I'm loving it because I'm not small. But I'm gonna go ahead and put like a little clip right here about how I threw a little fit together to see how that looks. Y'all tell me, what do y'all think? You know, tell me what you think. You see me over here doing my thing over here. Tell me what y'all think right here. Alright. Then, this is probably going to be more like a fall thing. You know, we just got started with summer, so this probably isn't going to really be the thing that I will wear too soon, unless I decide to go up north or something like that, you know. But, and I actually never had one of these before, so I was like, yo, what caught a really good deal? I have always wanted one of these though, so I figured I'd go ahead and pick one up. And that's a bomber jacket. How fresh is that joint? So, you know, I was like, okay. Let me check out the white bomber. And I'm dark as I don't know what right now compared to it. The white bomber definitely took all of the light. That's crazy. But, yeah. Pretty fresh. Like I said, I'm going to put like a little clip right here with a little fit that I put together. We'll see how that looks momentarily, and you can just go ahead and see it right here. So again, y'all tell me what y'all think. Y'all tell me what you think. There should be a clip right here that's gonna have me like supporting how I look, you know, putting together a little fit and showing you a little something, you know, yeah, a little something. But well, you know, like I said, y'all tell me what y'all think. But also make sure you check out my Instagram and my Twitter because I post, you know, always on there too. I'm not really too big on Facebook. I got a personal one, but I've been on Facebook since it started, so I just chose not to really delete it or anything because I had so many friends on there. But either way, you know, like I said, check out these clips right here that should be right here, and go check out the pictures that I put on Instagram as well. Tell me what you think, rate the fits, and tell me what's going on. And I'm going to go ahead and end this video right here. So again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the post notification bell for future content, and make sure again, whenever you hit the post notification bell, there's 3 options now. There's none, occasional, and all. Hopefully you're willing to see all of my videos when they first come out. But, you know, if you're one of those people that subscribes to a whole bunch of people and you don't want your, you don't want your timeline flooding and getting all the notifications, I'm okay with you. It's understandable that you do the occasional. But just know that your boy is going to be putting them out as often as possible. Hopefully every single day. If I don't do a regular video, I'm going to put out I'm going to try my best to stream. So I'm trying to put out the content as frequently as possible, as regularly as possible. So work with your boy. But please don't put the nut. But in any sense, I will catch you guys later. Peace.